ENVX stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Enovix stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Ultimately, I've done well over 43,000 videos and no one else in the space has come even close. With this track record of 5 years and 43,000 videos, I mean, yeah, this is where we're sitting at now. What I'll do here, just get rid of this. Here's my sort of supply zone. And only if, on this is only if I see a shift, I would look to take things down. Right? If settling randomly right here when it's this freaking juicy, it's not gonna work. But because it's a supply zone, we gotta respect the edge and just mop it up like this. Now, if this starts pumping like higher here, then oh baby, it's gonna be well of a heck of another idea. But other than this, how it looks like for me right now. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Really done. There's like literally nothing else that I would be adding here. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.